Hello everyone, this is a recording of the Week 12 quiz for U.S. History. Please have your quiz open as you follow along on your own screen. Question 1. What event started the Cold War? Stalin refused to allow free elections in Eastern Europe, forcing nations to be communist. 2 atomic bombs were dropped on Japan. Stalin was not invited to the Yalta Conference, causing feelings of hatred towards the U.S. Soviet troops invaded the Rhineland, which concerned both Britain and the U.S. Question 2. Which of the following best describes the primary objective of containment and the Marshall Plan? Keep U.S. troops in Western Germany to prevent the rise of another dictator. Assist European economies to deter them from embracing communism. Protect former Nazis in the Nuremberg trials. Establishing alliances in South Asia. Question 3. What act signaled the beginning of the Korean War? North Korea invaded South Korea. South Korea invaded North Korea, China invaded North Korea, or the Soviet Union invaded North Korea. Question 4. What was the outcome of the Korean War? North and South Korea united to become one democratic country. An initial truce led to a peace treaty that established South Korea as communist and North Korea as a democracy. The United States took the entire peninsula and created a colony. North and South Korea remain separate with a demilitarized zone along the 38th parallel. Question 5. What does the term brinkmanship refer to in the context of the Cold War? A policy of avoiding direct confrontation with adversaries. The willingness to go to the edge of war to convince the adversary to back down. A diplomatic approach focused on compromise and negotiation. An alliance formed between nations to maintain stability and peace. Question 6. Which of the following did not happen after the Soviet Union created their own atomic bomb? A long period of world peace with no fighting anywhere in the world. Fear of mutually assured destruction for both countries. Brinkmanship, or going all the way to the brink of nuclear war between the Soviet Union and the United States. The buildup of personal bomb shelters and drills in case of a nuclear weapons launch. Question 7. What event made the U.S. change its isolationist policies and encourage them to join the UN and NATO? The end of World War II and the growth of the Soviet Union as a world power with nuclear abilities. Japan's refusal to surrender after World War II. The Allied nations' decision to punish Germany after World War II by forcing them to pay reparations. Germany's creation of the Warsaw Pact after World War II. Question 8. Which of the following best describes McCarthyism? A movement advocating for workers' rights in the 1930s, a period of intense anti-communist hysteria in the United States during the Cold War, a literary movement promoting realism and naturalism in nature, a political movement advocating for the expansion of civil rights in the 1960s. Question 9. What was the significant impact of the space race between the United States and the Soviet Union? Increased cooperation between the two superpowers, a decrease in military spending by both nations, the development of peaceful resolutions to Cold War conflicts, or a surge in scientific research and technological advancements. Question 10. What was one result of U.S. covert actions in the Middle East that had a significant impact on U.S. foreign policy? Anti-American sentiment in that region. More nations were grateful for U.S. support and involvement. Few knew of their existence, so there was little impact. Or cool movies based on the life of spies that were located in these areas. Please make sure you submit your quiz when finished. If you have any questions, please reach out to your teacher. Thank you.